Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the brightness on your Frameo digital frame in 2026. So first of all, on your Frameo screen, you just have to tap on the screen once in order to basically open the menu in front of you. Now, when the menu appears, you just have to tap on the option of settings in order to get access to the settings. When you are inside the settings, simply look for the option of display. Now here inside the display, you are going to see two different options. The first would be of brightness level and the next one would be of sleep mode. So since we want to change the brightness level, you just have to tap on this particular option. This way you are going to see this type of slider in front of you. So with the help of this particular slider, you can increase the brightness. You can also basically use this slider in order to decrease the brightness level. Some of the frames have auto brightness feature as well. So you can turn it on if you want the frame to adjust it automatically based on the room's lighting. You can then go back to the main screen and your brightness changes will apply instantly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.